Hello and welcome to Phil's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you an old Brewer grinder by MR.Coffee. I've had this for over 20 years and it still works. I really don't even think they even make anything like this anymore, but I've had it over the years. And what's amazing is it still works. I just cleaned it up. It's been just sitting in the corner, and I'm just going to see if everything still works. I'm sure it does. This is a great piece of equipment when they had it. I still have the original sticker that was on there when I bought it brand new. So this is so cool. I thought I'd share it with everybody today. Okay, now we're going to add some water into the coffee pot here. All right, I guess it's 2 cups. What is cool about it, there's a little float, and this tells you how many cups of water that goes in this thing. You could put up to 12. Up to 12 for a full pot of coffee here. So let's just do that right now. I'll take the water. Let's kind of get into there. You can see it coming in there. All right. Okay, how much do you got there? 4. We might have to do several of these, so I'm just going to fill it up and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. We're going to put some Dunkin' Donuts coffee, original blend. I had this in the refrigerator for a long time. I'm sure you can keep coffee pretty much a long time in the fridge. So that's what we're going to do here. Okay. Alrighty. So this is how we're going to do it. This thing comes with one of these. Let me get this out if I can show it to you. It's kind of put the coffee in there. See? Kind of cool, huh? All right. Okay, we are going to put the Dunkin' Donuts whole bean, what's this, medium roast, original blend coffee into this grinder. Pretty cool. Okay, let's see here. There you go. It smells good. So there's a coffee in there. And what is kind of cool about this has an automatic timer and a brewer. Here, let's kind of swing the camera over here. I can show it to you. All right. Well, you got an auto start. You got an hour, minutes. There's your brewer auto start button. Select brew. Grind, auto start. I guess it does the whole thing. Okay. All right. So we're going to put this back in this thing. Okay. There's the coffee beans. Okay, and we just put this thing right like this. Okay. All right. And okay, let's get a shot of this thing. There you go. See, the beans are right there. Okay, close the lid. Oops, well, I forgot one more thing here. Put that on there. Okay. Well, I haven't had coffee in this thing in so long. Gosh, this is kind of exciting. Okay. Okay, let's, here, we'll go to the, okay, there we go. Yeah, kind of back up here a little bit. There you go. Okay. Okay, now we're going to select the button, and it should do it automatically, I guess. Well, I guess I better plug it in. Duh. There we go. All right. Now we'll hit the auto start button. See what happens. There we go. So I guess it's going to do it automatically. So, did it grind it? Oh yeah, it ground the shit out of that thing. Yep, sure did. Yep. Here we go. Now it's going to drip, 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 drip. Let's see here. Let's get a... There we go. That sure smells good. But you can have this one. Okay, and when the coffee is complete, I'll tell you how it is. Okay. It seems like it's doing okay. It's filling up the pot with coffee now. I was just wondering if it's heating up the pot. I'm sure it is. Let's see here. Oh yeah, that's hot. Yeah, it's still working. The heater's still working and everything. That's great. I'm glad everything is working on this thing. So apparently everything is working good. Okay, the coffee is ready, and this is my favorite kitty cup. So let's pour some coffee in this, and we'll see how it tastes. Okay. Well, here's cheers. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like this video, just subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate that. So you guys have a wonderful day. Bye for now.